Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Discover It. This is Arya and today we will discuss about question number 1 और ये कैन से चैप्टर 3 का क्वेश्चन आंसर आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो आज हम लोग शुरू करते हैं। तो यहाँ पे आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, एक्सप्लेन वाई सम फाइबर्स आर कॉल्ड सिंथेटिक फाइबर। तो इसका आंसर है सम फाइबर्स आर कॉल्ड सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स बिकॉज दे आर मेड बाय मैन बाय यूजिंग केमिकल्स। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, मार्क द करेक्ट आंसर। रेयन इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम सिंथेटिक फाइबर बिकॉज इट इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम वुड पल्प। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, fill in the blanks. Synthetic fibers are also called man-made and artificial fiber. Synthetic fibers are synthesized from a raw material called petrochemicals. Synthetic fiber, plastic is also a polymer. Question number 4. Give example which indicate the nylon fiber are very strong. The following example indicate the nylon fiber are very strong. They are used for making parachute ropes for rock climbing. They are used in making seat belt, fishing nets, tire cord, strings for sports racket and musical instruments. Question number 5, explain why plastic container are favored for storing food. Plastic container are favored for storing food because of the following reason. First is the plastic do not react with food stored in them. The plastics are lightweight and are strong. They are easy to handle and safe. Explain the difference between petrochemicals and thermosetting plastic and thermoplastic. Thermoplastic, these plastics soft on heating and can be bent easily. These plastic when molded ones cannot be softened again. They do not lose their plasticity. Okay, those are two major examples. Question number 7, explain why following are made up of thermosetting plastic. Saucepan handles, electric plug switch and plug boards. Thermosetting plastics are bad conductor of heat, do not get heated up while cooking. They are used for making saucepan handles. Since thermosetting plastics are bad conductor of electricity and electrical current do not pass through such plastic, so they are used for making electric plug switches, plug board. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, कैरेक्टराइज करना है यहाँ पे। कैन बी रिसाइकल्ड, आपको ये खुद से करना है। ये मैंने खुद से किया है तो आपको ये खुद से करना है। मैं आपको फोटो दिखा देती हूँ, ये आपको चेक करने में हेल्प करेगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, राना वांट टू बाय अ शर्ट फॉर समर। कौन सा करना चाहिए? ही शुड बाय अ कॉटन शर्ट। दिस इज बिकॉज कॉटन हैज़ मोर कैपेसिटी टू होल्ड मॉइस्चर देन सिंथेटिक क्लॉथ. In summer we have excessive sweating which is easily stoked by cotton shirt and hence cotton cloth are much better than the cloth made from synthetic fiber. So question number 10 is give example of so that plastic are non-corrosive in nature. The literal meaning of non-corrosive is resist to get destroyed by chemical actions. ठीक है, following are the example that show that plastic are non-corrosive in nature. Plastic container do not react with food items stored in it. They do not get rusted when exposed to moisture and air. They do not decompose when left it open for a long time. 11 number is, should the handle and bristle of a tooth brush is made up of same material? Explain your answer. No, the handle or bristle of the toothbrush should be not made from same material. This is because our gums are soft and bristles should be made of soft material so that it do not harm the gums. On the other hand, the handle is made up of hard material so that it can give a firm grip. Avoid plastic as far as possible. Comment on this advice. You have to comment it. I have write it by own. You have to write it. Okay, आपको खुद से लिखना है एक पैराग्राफ, मैंने खुद से लिखा है। मैथ्स यहाँ पे करना है आपको। ये रहा आपका आंसर, जैसा कि आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं। 1 का D, 2 का C, 3 का A, 4 का B. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 इज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सिंथेटिक फाइबर इज एक्चुअली हेल्पिंग द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट. कमेंट. In the manufacturing of synthetic fiber, so in manufacturing of synthetic fiber we use only chemical substance and no natural material, thus in turn we conserve forest. Okay, तो ठीक है, अगले वीडियो में मिलते हैं अब हम लोग अगले चैप्टर के साथ और कीवर्ड्स के साथ. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू। अगर वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर देना, चैनल पे नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब कर लेना। थैंक यू फ्रॉम दिस साइड आर्या।